This is Range Rover Evoque. I'm going to show you inside engine bay top up points. We need to open the bonnet. It's passenger foothold. And then here you need to press this one and leave it open. This is the engine oil symbol. You can add engine oil here. This is the dipstick. You can check oil level. Wipe the dipstick. Install. Right. You can see this is the maximum level, this is a low level. In between there you are fine. This is the screen washer symbol. Only add screen washer. Don't going to add antifreeze coolant. This is the screen washer symbol. This is coolant mark or coolant expansion bottle. Add only antifreeze coolant. Make sure follow the color. If your vehicle has a blue one, add blue one. If your vehicle has a green, add green one. This vehicle has a pink or red color. Follow previous color and add. There is a level, minimum and high. This is the minimum, this is the maximum level. Make sure add to the correct level. And also this is Adblue fill up tank. You have to fill Adblue here, and also make sure when you fill the Adblue, you can see here spill everywhere. This is the previous Adblue fill and leave it as it is. Once you fill up the Adblue, use water and cleans around this area. Adblue not good for your paint and metal. It's getting corrosion. Beware of that one. Thank you. Please subscribe and stay with us, then you can get our new video and tips.
Thanks for watching.